Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. My name's Nathan Hartley, and today I want to tell you my previous investment strategies and my current investment strategies. My first strategy was when I started investing back in Hawaii in 2017, when I decided to buy dividend stocks, and those dividend stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Intel, etc. were stocks that had steady gains and steady dividend income. They paid on a quarterly basis, and some of my stocks, the more risky dividend ones, were on a monthly basis. So whenever I started investing this way, I planned to invest for 20 to 30 years, trying to maintain pace with the market or just beat it maybe just by a little bit, and try to get those good dividend income that'll snowball over time. This really didn't work in my favor because the gains weren't fast enough for me to be able to retire at a decent age. So I decided to step it up a little bit, and I decided to invest in things like Tesla. After doing countless hours of research, I really felt that Tesla was the perfect investment for me. A CEO that I really liked, had a great vision, was working on their financials, and really was going to change the world. If you can take a stock like Square, like Apple, like a lot of these companies that really change the world, if you see other people using it and they continue to love it and they're expanding it just by the word of mouth, you know it's going to be a great company. One thing that really resonated with me with my strategy was there was one YouTuber, and I won't mention his name, but he said,
research into stocks. Be very choosy of your stocks. You cannot choose every single stock that looks good to you. Stop being a slut. Be choosy.
You don't have to own more than one stock. If you believe in a stock wholeheartedly and you've done your research, then buy that stock. Let that stock be the only stock in your portfolio if you've done so much research in it. I would rather have all my eggs in one basket that I know without a doubt will make me money rather than spread my research thin over many different stocks. In that point, you should just buy an ETF. Investing in growth companies that you believe in, that you see expanding in your day-to-day life is a great way to invest. As long as you verify the research. I personally love to use YouTube University, or Google Chi, but I prefer to use YouTube as my initial layer of research, and then I peel back other layers of what analysts say, financials, etc. There's a plentiful amount of people doing financial education channels to teach you the basics on how to do these different forms of research. After you invest in stocks like Tesla, which I've already 3x'd my money on within the past 8 months, you really can reap those benefits. And then after it matures, like Tesla will in the next 5 to 10 years, and getting to a possible level of $6,000, you can take that money, move it into those slower growing stocks like Apple's, like Microsoft's, that give you those steady gains and income through dividends, and live off that income throughout the rest of your life. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. If you can leave a comment down below, it really supports the channel and that YouTube algorithm. Thank you everyone, and have a great day.